I will show how to create cards. It is similar to the quick actions, but in quick actions we create the cards within the success factors. But these cards in manage organizational updates will be creating card related to outside the success factors. So here when I click on this card, it, it goes to another link that is on Google. So let's see how to create cards. We go on home page, manage home page, cards, organizational updates. Okay, so we'll add the card here. Card name is weather update and describe it here. Next, I'm selecting graphic large. Title is weather update for Mumbai. I want to select a thumbnail for this. So this is the image I'm going to upload. Next, now the third step is I'm going to attach an URL to open this. So I took the URL for weather update. It is AccuWeather. Now this link will be used to open the card. So this is the target group. So these employees, that is all employees, will be able to click on this card, or else you can give permissions. Then the folder, I'm currently saving it in this folder. Active period is always. You can also give a date range on which the card can be seen. Now I'm saving this. Okay, so this weather update is present here in this folder. So I'm refreshing this page. Now I'm going to check whether the card which I have created is reflecting. So I go on this page. So here's the card I configured with the update for Mumbai. I'm clicking on this link to show me this page, accuweather.com, because I had put this link. That's why. When we go back, it comes to the home page. So this is how we configure cards on SuccessFactors homepage. Thank you.